Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Nike Dunk Low in that light Orewood colorway. I'm going to go over the look, the fit, the on feet, and you know I got to give you some outfit ideas. Stay tuned. Alright, and welcome back. So I got my box right here, man. Peel back gang, you already know the vibes, man. You know we got the pull tab on this joint, so we're just gonna go ahead and give it a pull, and we gonna peel it back, man. So we got the Nike Dunk Low Premium, you feel me? So supposedly it has some premium materials, but let's just take a look right here inside. This is what it's looking like. Slide this box right on out of here. And I did get these through the sneakers app. They didn't sell out, so getting these should be a breeze. Like, it shouldn't be hard to grab these if you like them. I did get a size 10, which is my true size. But here's just a quick look at the box label right here. You know, hopefully if you guys need that information, it's right here. But it says the light Orewood brown. We got a light Orewood brown, and then we have an Orewood brown color. So there you go. And I'm really just a fan of like monochrome shoes, like shoes that are all one color, because I feel like you can get a lot of use out of them. You know, I like all white shoes, all red, all yellow. And this is that light Orewood, all the same color. You feel me? Let's go ahead and take a quick look at these. And oh yeah, these are looking good, man. Here we go. Right here we have that Nike Dunk in that light Orewood color, which is really just like a light tan. And then we have a nice aged midsole on this joint right here. So it's not a white midsole. It pretty much matches with the whole shoe. We got some good looking leather right here. So it looks like this is where the premium comes in. We got quality leather on the Nike sign going up and down the eyelets, front. We have almost like a burlap type of a burlap cotton fabric right here in the front toe box area. And I'm wondering if this is going to crease easy. I feel like it won't really leave creases because it is that different kind of material. So it probably won't crease like that, crease that much, which is a good thing for me because I like my shoes to look as new as possible for as long as possible. We have the matching shoelaces. Remember, this is pretty much an all one color shoe. So it's giving you that kind of tannish light Orewood throughout the whole shoe. We have the Nike on the tongue in black. And then at the heel, we have the Nike in, this looks more like an olive color. Looks like an olive color. I'll try to get a close up on that so you can see. But yeah, very nice. Definitely what I was expecting. It does kind of have like a light blue tint to it. So if you look on the inside of these leather pieces, there's almost like a light blue tint. Just very slight. Like, you won't notice if if you're walking, nobody will notice. But if you're looking up close on the shoe, you will kind of notice a little bit of a bluish tint right there. But yeah, let's go ahead and get to the on feet portion, man. And right here we do have a shoe. Take a quick look at that insole, all black insole. It looks like there's some extra padding around the ankle area, which is definitely a plus. No shoe tree, we just got the paper, but we don't really need that anyway. And these are very, very comfortable. The fit is A1. I definitely say go true to size. I got a size 10. I usually wear a size 10 and they fit perfect. If you have a wide foot, you could go up have a size, but I really don't think you need to in these. Definitely very comfortable. I love the color on these. And I feel like it's probably the most underrated dunk to come out recently. It does have those premium materials, you know, that leather, that kind of burlap cloth right there. And you don't have to pay the resale, which is a good thing. Nowadays, a lot of the shoe prices are coming down, so you definitely want to take advantage of that. And we have the first outfit. I mean, come on, man. First, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. But I do have the Motley Crue t-shirt on. we have the Essentials Fear of God running shorts. Now these running shorts I did pick up in a small, and it just looked good with the shoes. I mean, once you get into those browns, those mauves, that taupe tan type color, it's a win-win. Got the snapback hat, picked that up from PacSun. I mean, I feel like it's just a really good look, and it kind of shows how you can still rock these during the summer, even though they're more in that brown family, and you're still good to go. Let me know what you think about this outfit right here. You know, I got a little bit more coming for you. And right here, I do have on an Essentials Fear of God. I have the sweat shorts with the crew neck, you feel me? I really feel like these shoes go perfect with any type of Fear of God because they stay in that kind of brown, tan, ivory type colorway. And as you can see, this is another perfect match right here. Went ahead threw on the LA Dodgers fitted just because, you know, I like to add a little pop of color. But I mean, look at the fit, man. Fit is definitely A1 right here. We got the extra long drawstrings. We got that white t-shirt underneath to give it a little bit more contrast, tying in the socks just a little bit, man. But yeah, definitely a fit you can wear during the later time of the night or a little bit early, because you got the shorts, you can do your thing. And right here, I do have on some pants. I want to just give you another look. I got some cargo pants from PacSun right here. And one, I do have it kind of tightened up with the bungee. The other one, I did leave it open. And usually I prefer to leave it open whenever I have my cargo pants on. But I just want to get kind of like a different look on this. But yeah, another nice outfit. Got the hoodie on, Confidential Collection. Nice heavyweight hoodie. We got the black cargo pants, and then we got the black fitted to go ahead and tie those together. But that's 3 outfits right there, just kind of showing you how you can rock these joints, man. Like I said, definitely underrated. I'm glad I picked them up because I will definitely be getting some use out of these during the fall and the rest of this summer season right here, man. But let me know what you think about the shoes. Let me know what you think about the outfits, man. It's your boy Ace to the Boogie. I appreciate you guys checking out this video, man. Remember, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel. I actually have some Nike ID dunks by you coming soon. And I'm out.